Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we discussed about the one problems on the sectioning. So today we'll discuss about the one more problem. Okay. Okay. So today we'll be discussing about this problem. In the last class, we studied about this one. So where this is the problem he has given. So exams also he'll be given this problem, this kind of a problems. Okay, you have to draw like this sectional front view, a top view, and a right hand side view. You can see in the figures what all the things are there. What is the front view? From here we have to see the front view, and this is the top view, and this is the right hand side view. If it is asked, your figure should be on the front view will be on the right hand side, and right hand side will becomes on the left hand side. Okay. So next you observe the product. Observe the product, which all the total length you have to see. The total length will be coming from here. You can see here. So total length from here, it is there from length, this length. So this length, no, this one length. After this, so we'll be going through this one. So this length, this will be the front view. Okay. This will be seen in the front view. This is of diameter of 36. This will be seen in the front view. So this can be seen as a straight line, and this can be seen in the front line and as a straight line from here. Okay. So this is a front view over here. Next will be, so this is also seen, the diameter of 80, front view. So this is a front view, and this is a top view over here. Top view. Okay. So next we'll be having, so this from here, this side will be having the RHS, right hand side. Right hand side. So through this section, we are going to see this. Okay. So total length is 36, 64, and 54. So length is 36 plus 64 plus 54. So total equals to 154. You can see here on this word 154. So this will be the on this length, and this side length is 72 mm. You can see over here 72. Okay. And what about height? Height from the base is from here to here, it is the 82. 82 is there, plus this radius of dia 36 is there, half of that is 18. So total length is 100. Okay. So this will comes under the front view. You can see here the gap is there, it's of 6 mm, and from here to here it is there 10 mm. You can see this also. From here to here is there 10 mm because the total length is 20 mm. So next, in the front view, you can see draw this one. We'll be drawing this. This is not the front view. Okay. So this is the front view. So this is the top view here. This is the RHS side. So first, very first, you have to draw X line and Y line. Okay, and you have to draw a box of 100 by 100, 100 by 154. So this is 100. Okay. So here it is 100 by 154, it is the front view. So at this length is 36. You can see from the figure at exact over here. At exactly our center, we have to draw these two circles, front view. And you'll be seeing these two circles also of radius of 18 and 28. So this radius is of 18 and outer radius is of 28. So this is of R28 and this is of R18. Okay. At exactly you can see this at exactly from this distance it is 54. We are going to trying to draw this radius. So draw the center line, axis line. So it will be drawn continuously, projected 36. Okay. So what else we can see in the top view? The top will be seen these two holes of dia of 12. This is the dia 12. Dia 12. Okay. So next we can see this. We can have things diagonal. Okay, we can see this in a top view. What else we can see? So in the top view, you will be seeing this one. In the top view, you can see this. In the top view, you can. Its length is 72 by The 72 is there, and height is of, and 72 by 154. Okay, from the this top. So this length is 154. 154, and this length is 72. Okay, you can see this length here, 72. Okay, so we'll be saying at this 72 half is at this exactly at center. We'll be drawing this one center line 36. So we'll be having a slot like this. Okay, so we'll be having this one, and over here we'll be seeing these also. These this is as a square box, a rectangular box, 36 rectangular box. We'll be seeing from the top view side. Okay, and we'll be seeing these lines. Top view side. Okay, and at the 45 degree we are to drawing this line, and we are taking out all the projections. Okay, so here it is there. We discussed up to here. So from next we are having this. Okay. So we are going to project all these things. Okay, circles and these lines. So this will be drawn, and this is the top view. This is the 20 cut. Okay. So these lines will be projected on either side, right hand side. So whatever the yellow color you are seeing, so that will be seen as a left hand side view. Okay, so this side will be there on this side. Okay, so this will be there, and what all the seen the part, and you can see from this. This is a slot of 20 and this full length you can see here from the bottom side. You can see this bottom side. Okay, so projection will be of the same length of this dimensions are only taken out. This length is of 100 100 by 72 72. So whatever the dotted lines are there, whatever the hidden lines are there, they'll be taken as a dotted lines. Okay, and this is a 100 by 154. 100 by, you can see over 100 by 154 length. And this total length is 72. 72. So next we'll be seeing this. Whatever the things are there, sectioning. Coming to the sectioning, so this is all the front views and views are there. So hole is there and all these things, front views with this line. Okay, this line will be there, and we'll be seeing this line and certain this circular radius of 18 and 6 10 again, total is of 20, this line, and we are having the rib or wedge. Whatever the things are there with the continuous line,